Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is where I put all my seeds. Over here I have the beets. I have green beans I'm going to transplant, put them in the ground. And over here I have the watermelon. So far only 2 of the watermelon came up. And all this you see here is carrots. I'm gonna see how the carrots do, and then I'm gonna either transplant some or cut some of them out, let some grow in here. Same with the beets. So it's gonna be a process. These beans I'm gonna take out and put in the herbal garden. So stay tuned for the next one.